Since most of the users have limited storage on their smartphone, they usually don't want to install a standalone VPN app. So for those users, we are going to introduce a web browser that has an integrated VPN. Not just that, but we are also going to share a method to use the integrated VPN as well. Well, if you connect with public Wi-Fi hotspot more than often, then you need to take some extended step to protect your privacy. When you connect to any public Wi-Fi or any internet connection, you are not entirely secure because anyone can track your browsing habit. To deal with such issue, there are plenty of Android VPN apps available on the Google Play Store. VPN apps for Android are beneficial because they encrypt both incoming and outgoing traffic. Apart from that, VPN apps also fake from current location. So VPN apps for Android makes things difficult for the ISP or hackers to track you. Since most of the users have limited storage on their smartphone, they usually don't want to install a standalone VPN app. So for those users, we are going to talk about an Android web browser that has integrated VPN service. The web browser is known as Opera and it has an integrated VPN service. What is Opera browser for Android? Opera browser is one of the best and top-rated Android web browser available on the Google Play Store. The great thing about the Opera browser is that it blocks the ad for faster browsing. Not only that, but the web browser also provides users personalized news feed as well. Apart from that, some of the other useful features of Opera web browser includes night mode, password manager, private browsing, etc. However, out of all those, the built-in VPN feature is what makes the app stand out from the crowd. So friend, we talk about how to safely browse the web with Opera free VPN on Android. So if you are not interested in installing a standalone VPN app to encrypt your internet traffic, then you can use the Opera browser. The browser automatically encrypts all your internet traffic and makes you anonymous. So friend, in this video, we are going to share a short tutorial on how to safely browse the web with Opera free VPN. Step 1. First of all, download and install Opera with free VPN app on your Android smartphone. Step 2. Once done, open the app from your app browser. Step 3. Now you will see the main interface of the Opera with free VPN web browser. Step 4. Now tap on the Opera icon and then tap on setting and then tap on setting. Step 5. Next, tap on the VPN tab and then enable the VPN option from there. Step 6. If you want to use a virtual location of your choice, then tap on the virtual location and select the server location from the list. Step 7. Apart from that, you can also enable the option of bypass VPN for search, which will prevent search engine from tracking your location. That's it. You are done. This is how you can fully set up Opera free VPN to safely browse the web. If you have any other doubt, let us know in the comment box below. Really friend, you don't comment me. If you have any other doubt, comment me below.